Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Carnes, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit about the typing that we're going to be doing in class. And so I'm in Student View in our Canvas modules, and if you look under Wednesday, you'll see Typing Login, and so that's the link that I want everybody to click on. So go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to want to open Typing Login in a new window. So click on this as well. It's going to open up this site called EduTyping in a new tab. And I know that this is um, it looks like you're going to be signing up for something here. It's actually just sort of a workaround, and we're just going to scroll to the bottom. You'll do this almost every single day, so you'll get used to it. But scroll to the bottom and just click on Sign in with Google. So again, you don't have to type in any information in that form. You just click Sign in with Google. Then you want to go ahead and sign into your school account. All right, and then here we are on the EduTyping dashboard. And there's a few things that I want to point out with this. First off, I've got a lesson to a message to everyone. Yours will be different than this one. Um, this was the one from last quarter. So make sure you read the note that I send out. Sometimes I'll change it up. And you can see if you scroll down just a little bit, we have letters and common symbols. There's a tab called timed lessons, of which there's one, and then your problem keys, which you may not have just yet until you start typing. So up at the top, you have lessons, my progress, games, achievements, and themes. Right off of the bat, if I were you all, I would go ahead and change my theme. It's kind of boring to be on the basic skin. So I'm going to go ahead and set mine to, feel free to pick whichever one you want, but I'm going to set mine to the Pixel Knight skin or theme. And it actually changes your hands on the lessons, and it changes just kind of the overall look of everything. So I kind of like this theme. I'm into it. You guys pick whichever ones you want. Under achievements tab, you'll see um, your avatar levels. You can actually level up your avatar here by experience through typing. Um, you can see a lot of the achievements and stuff that I've earned, and you guys will earn some eventually when you're done with all your lessons. You can play any of these games on this website. Under my progress, you can see a little bit about your accuracy, your average speed, um, the amount of stars that you've earned. Yours are going to be at 0 for now, but eventually we're going to get them up there. So let's go back to lessons. And today, what we're going to do is go to timed lessons tab. And I want everybody to do the pre test. And it's going to take 1 minute. And go ahead and do the pre-test. So go ahead and pause this video, do the pre-test, and when you get done with it, come back to this video. Okay, hopefully you've done the pre-test already and you pause the video and you're back, and hope you did well on it. If you didn't, that's totally fine. It's not graded by how fast you went or how accurate you are. It's just a test to see where you're at the beginning of the year, so we can see what kind of progress you've made. So once you've done that, we're going to go up to letters and common symbols. And from here on, these are the lessons that we're going to be doing. And so we're going to start out, since it's Wednesday and we've done all the other stuff in class, let's start out with lesson 1, F, J, and spacebar. So when I say lesson, I'm talking about lesson 1, and it's made up of these little sub lessons. Uh, lesson 1 has 10 sub lessons. So if I click start on this, it'll start me off on the first sub lesson, and there's a nice little video that you can watch or you can skip, and then it's going to teach you exactly how to type. So we're just going to go through these lessons, and they're pretty straightforward. You can get stars based off your accuracy. You're not going to be allowed to pass the lesson if you don't have at least 87 or 88% accuracy. I feel like that's kind of the bottom line of accuracy that you could achieve and still be a good typist. So I set that at 88%. Um, you're just going to go through all of these sub lessons until you get done with lesson one, and that's all you're going to have to do for today. Make sure that your keyboard cover is covering your fingers to where you can't look down at all times. And if you are done with sub lesson 10 inside of lesson one, what I'd like you to do is go ahead and just keep on going and just go through D and K keys. And, or as an alternative, if you don't want to just work way ahead, you could also play any of these typing games up here. My personal favorite is Z Type or Tommy Q. Zombie Defender is pretty good. Um, you can also play Nitro Type. That is the only other game that is not on here that I will allow. Although, if you do play Nitro Type, you will need your keyboard cover. So, best of luck, everyone, and have fun.